Hello and welcome to another video from Bitfinex. Today we're going to take a detailed look at the new version of one of our most popular budget-friendly cases, the Bitfinex Nova Mesh. The more airflow-friendly version of the popular Bitfinex Nova, the Bitfinex Nova Mesh, comes with a ventilated mesh on the front of the chassis to give a breath of fresh air to the components. Along with few improvements to the airflow design, the systems built with the Bitfinex Nova Mesh run significantly cooler compared to many other similarly priced offerings. The front iron mesh of the new case is not only for design purpose, but it also serves another important purpose. This mesh is made with fine holes which traps the smallest dust particles while letting clean air into the system. This design is harder and expensive to manufacture, yet offers significant improvements in dust filtering and easy cleaning thanks to the removable dust filters. The power supply also gets its own removable magnetic dust filter which is easy to clean, while a magnetic top dust filter is also offered for the dust filtering of the top air intakes. Sufficient space is provided to install fans in between the front plastic panel and the metal chassis to efficiently utilize chassis space. This allows for thicker radiator installation or a push-pull radiator fan configuration. Bitfinex Nova Mesh not only offers radiator mounting options at the front, but also at the top with the support of up to 360mm radiators in the front, 240mm radiators at the top, or 120mm radiators at the back for AIOs or custom liquid cooling solutions. The tempered glass side panel of the Bitfinex Nova Mesh gives an unrestricted view to the high-end components installed in the system. This high-quality tempered glass is 4mm in thickness to offer improved strength and reliability. Together with Bitfinex Alchemy ARGB lighting strips, you can light up your system with custom colors to match your setup and mood. When the interior design is exposed due to the tempered glass, it is important to have a clean design with efficient cable management mechanism. The Bitfinex Nova Mesh offers a clean interior design with a 23mm cable management space behind the motherboard tray and thoughtfully placed cable routing holes for a cleaner build. The ARGB version of the Nova Mesh TG comes with 4 Bitfinex Spectre ARGB fans pre-installed to make it easier to install the system while offering a wide selection of colors and animation options. The LEDs used in the Spectre fans feature Bitfinex Tri-Bright technology, which allows the LEDs to be brighter while offering more saturated colors. These Spectre fans can be connected to supported motherboards with RGB synchronization features, such as Asus Aura Sync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, MSI Mystic Lighting, and ASRock Polychrome RGB. To reduce the cable clutter, the Spectre ARGB fans can be daisy-chained to each other to control with a single controller. But looks are not the only thing going for the Bitfinex Spectre fans included in the Nova Mesh TG. The single fan blade with the center lighting LEDs offer improved airflow and high CMF while keeping the fan noise to a minimal level. The focused airflow pad directs air to the components and cool the radiators efficiently. The improved cooling performance of the Bitfinex Nova Mesh can be easily seen from the following benchmark results. Running cross-loading with Prime 95 and Fermark on either Intel i7 or i9 CPUs, the maximum CPU temperature reaches only 78 degrees, while the average CPU temperatures remain much lower. The tested NVIDIA RTX 2070 is also well ventilated, which is evident with the temperature values of sub 75 degrees. This shows that the airflow design of the Bitfinex Nova Mesh is well optimized to keep even the most high-end components cool under max load. And that's the wrap-up of the overview video for the Bitfinex Nova Mesh. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for the latest updates from Bitfinex. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.